Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. So I'm just creating this 3-section layout, and I just thought, you know what? Let me come live right now and work on this section with you guys, and let's do it for the love of the YouTube channel. All right, let's do this, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button as well. So yeah, let's do this. What I'm trying to do is create a 3-section layout. So I've got table here which is full 560 and wait, let's see. So 560. So mathematically I'm trying to think what's 560. Okay, hang on a second. I'm not gonna do too much talking here. If you've watched the course, if you watched the previous videos on YouTube, you know what's going on right now. So let's do this. Ooh. Okay, what's the width gonna be? So basically what I'm trying to do is calculate the 560 divided by 3, something like that. But I also need the gutter space, which is gonna be 2020. So 560 minus 40, that's 520. 520 divided by 3 is, okay, sometimes I gotta use a calculator. 173.3. Not my favorite number. So what I'm going to try to do is right, so 20 is not going to work. Let's do 21. So 520 instead of 520 we got 21, 21, 42. Okay, so 560 minus 21. Oh, okay. Minus 20. 21. Okay, it's 518. Right, so 518 divided by 3. So I'm trying to get a round number. Eesh. Okay, I get 172.6. That's still not a good number for me, so I need a round number. Let's try 22. So 22 is 44. So 560 minus 44 equals 516 divided by 3. Come on. Oh, beautiful. Let's do that. So we got 560 and we got the gutter space of 22 width. If you're from SA, what's up? What's up? Shout out to you. All right, width is going to be 22, like I said, which means this number is going to be, oh, I forgot it already. Really? Roll. What did I say? Sorry. 560 minus 44 is equals to 516 divided by 3. All right, 172. That was the number. Sorry. All right, so 172. See, this is how you mathematically work out your number so that everything is proportionally and pixel perfect. Otherwise, you're gonna have problems down the road. So I need this for mobile response on the spacer or the gutter space, and I'm gonna actually add in a space here, which is what am I looking for? A height. I need a height to activate on mobile. So I'll do 20 because I just needed 20 on mobile. I don't need the 22. So that's good. That's solid. That's all I need. And so for the 3 sections, it's gonna be something like, that's A. This is gonna be B, and you can see me pushing back, like I always say, indent so that things line up. And obviously that's your B, and that's your C, and then you get the gutter space, which is this one. Just plonk it in the middle there, and then I have to push it back so that it lines up, otherwise visually I'm not happy. Right, so we've done that bit. So we got A, B, and C. So let's figure out what's happening in these sort of like layout columns. So I need to nest because it's a complex section. That's cool. And then after nesting, I need to actually add an image in here, but because I'm using like hosted versions, well, dummy images, something like that. So basically I can use img space, and I can do http :/.vir.plates. I think I'm gonna get this wrong. get rid of the dot. Yeah, just veer dot place. Wow, my typing has gone amazing. Placeholder.com/. Well, the size of the image is supposed to be 172. Okay, so yeah, I could do 172. Just leave that as that, and that plunks in that little art that you see here. And then for me to get the color, if I wanted to do like coloring and all that stuff, I can scroll up to get the color here. And then I can actually come down here, and what I'm gonna do actually is, after the 172, I'm just gonna paste these numbers so that it's just like a square block without any color in it, without any writing in it. And what I'm gonna do is, after well, am I gonna actually wait, line center? Yeah, it's cool. I'm not gonna try to make it like stretch or mobile. So what I'm gonna do is, under here I need some sort of, let me see, so I need some sort of like description copy, and then the price of the actual product. So imagine this is like some sneakers or some trainers or some shoes, some handbag or something like that you're trying to sell. So what I'm trying to do is, let's have a look here. So basically, table, underneath this I'm gonna add in a section which is gonna be the description copy, but use tab, push that in so that it lines up. And then here I'm gonna actually indent, not indent, but I'm gonna nest, and then I'm gonna do a line center, and then I can do something like 90, 98, just to push it from the edge. You can do whatever number you want. And then here you can do some lorem text. Okay, see what we got, and then obviously I can get rid of some because that was gonna be a lot of copy. Yeah, so let's just get rid of that chunk and put a full stop. Just see how much we got. Okay, we got some of that out. Then I can come in here and do a style tag. Style is equals to padding top. I'm gonna do 10 pixels. Padding bottom. Bottom is gonna be, hey, that wasn't supposed to. Oh, that got rid of everything. All right, padding top. Just 10 pixels. And then padding bottom is equal to, what is padding bottom? 10 pixels as well. Right, great. Yeah, just bear with me because you know what time it is right now? It's late. It's like 5 a.m. or something like that. So all right, let's do style. I'm thinking left align is great. I might leave it left. Actually, I'm gonna center it. So style text align. Ooh, wow. Text align center. And then I'm gonna do what else? I'm gonna do font family. Font family, I'm gonna scroll up and copy because we're using a Google font. So I'm gonna copy. Okay, I'm gonna copy this whole bit. Come back to our sort of area we're working with. Paste. Let's see what happens. Geez, I'm gonna get rid of some of this because I copied too much. And then Montserrat 28 is a lot, so I need to drop that to something like 13. Line height of 18. Okay, looks like that. Great, no problems. I'm all right with that. And I'm going to come underneath. Is that right? Is that good enough? Nope. I'm gonna put a well, it's already sent. It's gonna center mobile. Sounds great. All right, never mind. So I am gonna come here, and actually, I'm just for the sake of practice, the line center. Yeah, it's fine. And now I'm gonna come here underneath this bit here. I'm gonna put a TR, and I'm going to add in some price of text, but it's gonna be the same sort of thing. So I can copy this TD, and I'm gonna copy this. Wow, I think I've put it in the wrong place. Honestly, I think I have. Do that. because I think I overcopied. I just needed the TD, and let's just paste the TD stuff. Okay, push this back a little bit. I can push this under as well, so that it lines up. And so what I essentially have is this bit being the price tag. So we can do 12, something like, how much is it? Well, this is a British template, so it's dollar. Wow, you know what? I don't know what's going on anymore. Right there, bang. So we do add pound just to get the pound sign. 12 pound, something like that. How's that looking? I'm gonna do font weight bold. All right, but that's wrong. Great, fantastic. This font is not really like the one for being extra bold. It's just a little bit darker than this. All right, that'll do. What I'm gonna do is get the spacer and actually paste it underneath that whole section row. So like under here, I'm gonna paste this spacer so that I get a little bit push from the bottom of, yeah, that push. Okay, so we got one little item of a description of the product and the price. Actually, I might wanna, because people need to click this and go somewhere, and this image tag also needs to be like styled. So style, display, block, border, none. Yes, a lot going on here. Border none. What else are we actually doing? Alt text here. Wow, my typing is great today. I actually have to say my typing is beautiful. It's like amazing. I can't believe it. All right, so we got that going on. What else do we actually need? Just have a little think, because I was onto something. I think that's about that. Actually, I need a width attribute here. Equals 172, and we need a height. We might as well just do 172. Okay, great. What else? Oh, we wanted to make this a link. That's what we wanted to do. So we can just go here and just do link here. If I can type, then we can do target blank. Ah, this is turned out to be beautiful. So if you wanted the copy to be a link as well, I guess you can, but I guess I'm not gonna do that, because we click on the image, it's all good. You can see if I hover over the image, there's a little thumbnail to say it's a link. I don't want a copy to be like a link, you know what I mean? So leave that out. Great, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna duplicate this section, and this is why it's important to get your numbers right. Like the 172, if I had messed up on the 172, it'll be problems right now, because mathematically I'd have been not correct, because yeah, proportionally. But you can see you got a little 20 here, you got a little 20, oh it's 22, but yeah, it's all right. And then you got a little gap here and a little gap here, so it's everything centered and it's looking beautiful. And there you go. This is just a little project I'm working on right now. It needs to be ready for like 7 a.m. That's why I'm up, but it's all right, because they pay me like 10 grand to do this. And you know what? For 10 grand, I'll be up at this time. Anyway, so yeah, that's why I always encourage you, become an email developer, get paid, get money, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so it's all good. But listen, you don't do it for the money, do it for the passion. Just love what you do, you get paid for it. It's all love. So let me see what else needs doing here. Actually, nothing else. This is the only one I wanted to come through and show. which was the 3 section. I'm gonna make this responsive, see if it actually is responsive. Ooh, it is responsive. All right. Okay. All right. One more thing. Actually, what if I didn't want it to be responsive? Why would I not want it? Yeah. All right. Cool. Maybe, yeah. Maybe for another video I could do that where I don't want it to be responsive. I just want it to squish in. But for now, you know what? I'm happy with everything, how it's looking. Just a little word of encouragement. You know what? I would say maybe come here. Actually, you know what? I'm not happy with that. That's leaking. I'm gonna change that 98 to 95. So that pushes in a little bit. Let's see. Okay, I'm happy with that. So yeah, just a word of encouragement, basically. Make sure you keep on practicing your email developing skills, and make sure like you're hardworking, like you're always trying to understand like what's going wrong with your code and stuff like that, until you're perfect and becoming better every day. So until the next tutorial, guys, thank you for coming through, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.